Good morning, everyone. Today I'm making a bento for my daughter and my wife. First, I'm gonna cook rice for 1 cup, which is enough for two. Today's main dish for bento is a Japanese grilled beef, which is a yakiniku. And Japanese beef, which is Wagyu beef, has 15 different ranks. This is the graph that I made for you. You see that C1 is the lowest quality of beef, and A5 is the highest. Number 5 to 1 expresses the quality of meat. This is an important measurement. From A to C, these characters expresses the quantity of editable meat. That means that this measures how much meat which we can eat can be obtained from one cow. So this is not that important. What's important is the number 5 to 1. And many supermarkets in Japan sell this range A5, A4, B5, and B4. And I got Wagyu beef today. This is A5. I got this nearby supermarket. And it was 1,213 yen for 221 grams. So it's not that expensive when you buy it at the supermarkets. So I put some salt, which is shio, and some black pepper, which is kurokosho. So these are red and yellow onion, tamanegi. Cut them into slices. This is a green bell peppers. We call it piman. And carrot, which is ninjin. So green pepper, many kids don't like it because they're a little bit bitter. But my kids eat them with some kind of meat with sweet sauce. First, I'm going to stir fry the vegetables. Onions are done. And carrots and green pepper. These green peppers are not spicy at all, just a little bit bitter. Now vegetables are done. I'm gonna cook a meat. First, I'm gonna cover them with potato starch, which is katakuriko. And covering with the potato starch prevents the meat from drying out and make the sauce stick to the meat better. I'm not going to cook the meat completely here. I just cook like a medium and I finish it with the sauce later. If I'm cooking this for dinner, I'll make it medium rare. But since I'm making for bento, I need to make them well done. Because Japanese beef has a lot of fat, even well done, it will stay soft, even it's cold. Now I'm going to make a sauce. This is garlic, which is ninniku. First, I'm going to make a garlic oil. With some brown sugar. This is the apple juice, which is ringo juice. And this is rice wine, which is nihonshu or sake. And this is mirin, which is sweet rice wine. Mix well. And add light color soy sauce, which is Unsweet shoyu. I could use dark soy sauce, but I don't want to make sauce too dark. And add some ginger, which is shoga. sauce is done. I'm gonna put back the meat into sauce, and also add the vegetables. And this is done. You may hear my kids' voice. They're awake. I need to be hurry. I'm gonna make a tamagoyaki, which is egg omelette. Add white condensed dashi, which is shiro dashi, and some milk, which is gyunyu. Add some rice oil and cook the eggs. So I usually make a sweet egg omelette. I put some sugar, but today the yakiniku sauce is very sweet, so I'm making a salty tamagoyaki today. And it's almost done. I'm gonna put it on a paper towel to take out the moisture. After cooling them down, I'm gonna cut them into slices. Now rice is ready. Nice and fluffy. Rice is still hot, so I'm going to cover them with a paper towel and cool them down a little bit. And the rice is cool enough, so I'm going to put everything into bento box. So as usual, I'm going to put I usually put 3 colors into bento box: yellow and green and red. And this is the umeboshi, salted pickled plums. This is very salty and also sour. So this is red, yellow for tamagoyaki, and green for green pepper. This is done. Thank you very much for watching my video today. I hope you enjoy it. And you can use pork, you can use chicken, you can use shrimp, you can use tofu, and whatever you like. And I hope you try to make this sauce. This is very nice, sweet, and tasty. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.